Hello Unity programmers, welcome back in my tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how we can directly move our object in Unity without using an animation. So before going to start our today's video, just take a look what we are going to make and how it will gonna work. So let's start to make our today's video. So here you can see in my scene, I have the 4 cubes. Now when I press play, you can see our object positions will automatically change. And here you can see we do not add any animation or anything. You can see that. Okay, so let's start to make our today's tutorial. So for this we need to have a cube. So just right click in the hierarchy, go to the 3D object and click on the cube. Here you can see I have a new cube in the scene, so you can see. And just check the game view where our object is. Now, how we can move our cube without any adding animation or anything. So we can done this by changing a transform to a local position or a word position of this cube. So what is the transform? So here when you click on your cube, here you can see this transform means in the transform we have the position, rotation and the scale of this cube. If we want to change its position, then we need to go to the transform and change the position, means its axis x, y, z, as well same for the rotation and the scale. So by adding a script, you need to write only 2 lines of code. So let's see what is it and what's the method. So here just right click in your scene and go to the create and click in the C# script and just write it. I'm going to write it the move cube. So just double click on it. Okay, so here we have our script. First, we do not need this word start, so delete this. Word start stand for the change in the frame per second only one time, where our void update is stand for the changes every per second in the frame. So just write here your game object. So just write the public object, the cube. Write here your object which you want to move. So I have the cube, so that's why I write here the cube. Now just go to the void update and simply just write the transform dot local position. I'm going to transform the local position of my object and equal to new vector 3. This is for the 3D. This stands for the 3D object. So I write here the 3D, just bracket. Under this bracket you need to write your position of the axis. So just write here the 2F. This is it. So just press the Ctrl S, save your scene and just go back to your Unity. Here you can see it's automatically added to your Unity, and just choose your object here and choose your script. Just drag and drop into your object, your script. Here you can see, and here you can see this game object options, which we write here this public game object cube. This is drag and drop your object in this. Now here you can see our object is like in that position. Here in the, you can see in the game view and the scene view as same. Now when you press play, just press play. Now you can see our object is changing its position automatically in the scene and the game both views. You can see the difference, guys. This concept is very helpful for you for your game project. So that's why I thought I told you this trick of Unity. So I hope guys you will like it and understand what I try to tell you. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you will understand what I try to say. So thank you for watching. See you in my next tutorial.